Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, you must read GoTranscription guideline rule. These guideline rule is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam. Without reading these transcription guidelines, you never pass co-transcript audio test. So you must read these transcription guideline rule and apply to the audio test before submitting it. So let's move to the audio file. I already transcribed it and you need to apply all these transcription guideline rule before submitting the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
These questions are part of the transcriber test at GoTranscript. I just want to ask you a few questions. Is that okay?
Sure, go for it.
Why do you want to be a GoTranscript worker?
Seriously?
Yeah, that's the question.
Okay, well, I guess it's for the big bucks.
Yeah, that's a good one. Thanks, I needed that.
You're welcome.
Anyway, come on, I need a real answer. Why are you interested in transcribing for GoTranscript as opposed to, say, delivering groceries for Instacart?
Well, for one thing, I don't have a car.
Okay.
Also, there aren't any actual grocery stores in my neighborhood.
Really?
Yeah.
That's kind of weird, isn't it?
Why?
Well, where do you get your groceries then?
Amazon mostly. Sometimes a GoTranscript admin swings by and drops off a bag of food on their way home to their glamorous mansion.
I'd heard about that, but I didn't know it was really true.
Oh yeah, it is. Sometimes some of those GoTranscript editors live in luxury in Beverly Hills or Monte Carlo.
Wow. I'm a bit surprised. I didn't think those jobs paid all that much.
Well, they don't, but last year they came up with one of those Roundup savings plans.
Really? How does that work?
Well, let's say you get paid 29 cents for a 2-hour transcription.
That sounds about right.
Yeah, but what they do now is round up to 30 cents, then put that extra penny into a special savings account.
I see.
If you add up all those extra pennies, let's say for a year, you might be surprised at how it adds up. I've been doing that at my bank and also at the general store down the road.
What's the most you've saved so far?
Oh, I don't want to brag.
I'll go for it.
Well, I came out with a cool $5.70 last calendar year. Yeah, pretty sweet, huh?
No kidding. So what'd you do with all that cash?
Oh, I went over to the GoTranscript general store and picked up a new headset and foot pedal.
Nice. So tell me, why do you want to be a GoTranscript transcriptionist if you're already saving that kind of cash?
Well, you know what they say, you can never have enough.
I guess some people say that. Is it true?
Why don't you hire me for GoTranscript and find out for yourself?
Fair enough. Thanks for listening, everyone. This interview was part of the transcriber test.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you and please like this video and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.